up from our bed and we're gonna do Batman versus Superman.
Yeah, we have few unboxing videos, Blu-ray today. Yeah.
Let's get started
So,
right now.
Let's start it with Batman versus Superman: Dawn of Justice. I know, I'm very late, but yeah. At first I didn't really like the cover, but when the price went down, I just couldn't resist to get it because I love Superman. Yeah, I love Superman. Yeah, Batman is too dark for me.
Batman.
Yeah. All right then. Could you hold? Yeah.
Me hold.
Yeah.
Careful.
You sure?
Yep.
Why don't you let your big sister hold it?
Older sister.
Yeah, older sister. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Here we go.
Let's open it up and start right now.
I don't have.
Daddy, can I?
You want? Yeah, you go for it. Go for it.
Go for it, girl. You can do it.
Oh my God! You're an animal. You're an animal. No,
Whoa.
no.
Can't catch up.
I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. All right. Here we go. So that's again. You got the button. You got the button. This is nothing. You got the button. Peel the button. Yeah.
It's not a. That didn't say button. That said bottom.
Bottom. That's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Button, right?
Oh, really?
Bottom. Button. Button.
So
All right. So. Whoa. Okay. Upside down. Yeah. All right.
All right. Also, I guess you.
I'll kick your butt. Oh no, you don't. Cause I'm upside down. All right. Okay. So it's just the opposite.
Well, that's
Yeah, I guess you
Alright.
just like flip it back and forth from up and down like that.
crazy.
So it's a digital code.
Oh, Batman.
And
All
okay.
right.
Oh my God, this is like the Justice League one, but without the push button. Just open it from here then.
This.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, Daddy.
All right. Hang on.
Press?
No.
It's not like the button.
Ah!
Oh.
There.
Okay.
No, you gotta be kidding. There, should be better. Yeah.
Upside down
Superman on
bat.
the top.
Look, Daddy. He scratched it.
Mm.
Oh,
No, I did not scratch.
precious.
All right. So that's the back. Yeah. So that's the front.
Awesome.
All right. We still have some few more Blu-ray unboxing videos for you guys. All right. Thank you very much
For
Yeah.
watching.
I'll
Please
catch you
leave a
with the
thumbs
other one.
up
Thank
for
you.
us because we want a thumbs up in our video.